Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get live text from images in React Native's new architecture for iOS using VisionKit. Now here you can see I have one image, and if I so there are some numbers on this image. Okay, if I click on this, here you can see I am able to select copy or FaceTime audio. I will try to select this entire number, and here you can see I am able to call FaceTime audio. So these are not an actual text, these are part of images. That's how we can extract live text from images. So I'll show it to you again. Here you can see there is this scan icon. This is not part of my image. This means that the VisionKit has finished analyzing our image, and then only we can try to click on any of the text which is present inside an image. I'll try to rerun my application just to show you guys the output again. Also, in the meantime, make sure you open this particular documentation, because for new architecture I will be copying a lot of code from this. Also, this will be this can only run on a real iOS or an iPad device. You can't run it on a simulator. So keep this documentation handy, as I will be copying a lot of code. Okay, this is taking a little bit of time. In the meanwhile, I have just created a React Native project. Okay, so I think the app is loading now. Just keep an eye on the image. As soon as it loads, it won't have that scan icon which I told you about. Let's just wait. Okay, so here you can see the image, and now it was able to display the scan icon. Okay, so again I can just click on this particular thing and I can do whatever options are presented. So hopefully you got the idea. I can choose a different. So here, as you can see, I have added the images inside the images folder. I'll show you all this code later on, and I can just quickly change the image just to show you another output. Quickly run this. Now in the meantime, what you can do is, once you have created your React Native project, open your terminal, cd to the iOS directory which we have over here, and you will have to run this particular command. So this will enable the new architecture for iOS. So just do that. Then we will have to create a folder called rtn my image view. Inside that, create a file called package.json. Again, I have copy pasted this from docs. Only this name I have changed according to our folder name, this name as well as this name. Then create a podspec file. Again, I have copy pasted it from docs, and only this name has been changed. Then create a JS folder. Inside that, create a TypeScript file. Again, the name of the file is important, depends on your folder name. Again, I have copy pasted this from docs. I have just removed the prop, and this particular name I have changed. Rest everything else remains the same. Now in the documentation it also says that create an iOS folder. We won't be doing that because we want to write all the code inside Xcode, because we will be making use of Swift. Now hopefully this is ready. So here you can see we don't see the scan icon, and now we see it because it has finished analyzing our image. Now I can just click on this questions to ask, and it can give me normal, copy, translate, search web, share. I can select all of the text as well. So it's up to you. I will show one more image to you. That was image 2. I'll show image 3. Okay, I'll quickly run this. Now again, in the meantime, what you can do is open your terminal, cd to the root of your React Native project, and first run this particular command. So this will enable this will add our folder to package.json. Then you will have to do cd ... It will move you outside your React Native project, and then run this particular command, entire command. But here you will have to replace rnapp live text with your own project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp live text. So over here as well as over here, once you do that, you will again have to cd to the iOS folder and run this particular command. So this will do pod install with the new architecture, as well as do code generation for our folder which we have added. Then you will have to open the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. I have already done that. then go to your project, and firstly inside general you will have to update the deployment target to 16 over here, as well as over here you will have to change it to 16. Okay, so the output is ready for the third one, and now you can see this scan image. Again, I can just select the entire text. So hopefully you got the point, right? Next, once you do that, change the deployment target. Inside the images folder I have added few images, so change use the image whatever you feel like. Vision like this LiveText is only for static images, so be mindful of that. Also, then we'll have to create this particular header file, so this has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed. Then create an objective-c file called rtn my image view manager, but change the extension to .mm, so it is objective-c++. Then again this has been copied from docs, and only this name and this name has been changed. Then I have created another objective-c file, again change the extension to .mm. Again this has been copied from docs, the header name has been changed and this names has been changed. Now here you will have to write your own project name. Instead of rnapp LiveText, dash swift.h will be common for everyone. In the documentation it tells us use this import, but we can't use this. We'll have to use this import because we are writing the code inside main Xcode. Again this has been copied from docs, only names has been changed everywhere. This here we are initializing our Swift file, which I will come back to in a little bit. This has been copied from docs, only again names has been changed everywhere, this name and this name. Here we are initializing our view, here we are initializing our Swift file, adding our Swift file to our view, and this entire thing again has been copied from docs, and only this name and this name has been changed. Then create a Swift file. Xcode will ask, do you want to create a bridging header? Click yes, so you will see this bridging header file. Then just import UIKit as well as VisionKit, and here we just add this to extend this to delegate as well. We create our UI image view, initialize image analysis interaction as well as analyzer, and here we can also see if there is an image with a QR code or a barcode in it, we can also detect that. Okay, not scan it but detect it. Just we are doing it for LiveText. Then we are initialize our UI image. Then here we are passing the image name, so change this to whatever image name you have added inside the images folder. Then add the image view to our parent view. Here I have done some NS layout constraints. Then I have set the delegate, added interaction to our image view, and doing analyze current image. So here this is boilerplate code which you have to write for embedding an iOS view inside your React Native app. And here you can see this is our image, this is our method, sorry, which takes a little bit of time to analyze our image. So once this is done, then only we see the scan icon. So yeah, that's it, I think. Thank you for watching. Hopefully yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hey guys, I forgot to tell you how to really use it. So you can import it something like this inside your app.tsx and use it like this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.